Before mopping any surface, it is important to adjust the equipment to suit your needs. By adjusting the handle to your proper height, it will improve the comfortability and reduce overall physical stress on your body. To adjust the Quick Connect handle, start by standing parallel to the mop handle. With one foot on the frame, reach down to the black twisting lock. Twist the black lock clockwise to unlock the handle. Once unlocked, the handle is ready to be adjusted to your height. Raise or lower the yellow portion of the handle so that the top black handle of the mop can rest easily under your chin. Secure the Quick Connect handle by twisting the black locking mechanism counterclockwise. You are now ready to mop using the Quick Connect handle.